Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Christi Riverton and this is Love Jar Life, and I'm really excited to be sharing a clean and organized with me video. As you can see today, I'm going to be working on my refrigerator, which was in desperate need of some help. And I'm also going to be talking about small spaces and how I utilize a smaller space, as you can see, as a multi-purpose room, including my overstock food storage. We do a lot of stocking up because we have a large family. And so I'm going to kind of show you how I organize and put those things away. You see them a lot of times in our haul, but I don't always share where this stuff goes and like how I keep all of that stuff in place. All right, so as you can see here, I am cleaning out my very disorganized and messy refrigerator. It was in desperate need of it. And I had made the mistake of thinking I could put hamburger double bagged in the refrigerator instead of putting it into a bowl, and it had spilled everywhere. So that's part of the reason that I was cleaning this out. Plus, I needed to find space for a lot of yogurts and things like that. So I'm using this Grove Collaborative Orange and Rosemary All-Purpose Cleaner. I recently just started ordering through Grove Collaborative because I wanted to try some of the more natural products. I actually was looking for a vinegar spray, which I got through them, and I absolutely love it for getting soap scum off. And you can see me talking here. I'm actually talking to some of my kids. They're helping me with the refrigerator clean out. So I think I had about 3 of them helping out today with this. They were taking things to the garbage or putting things on the table, bringing me soapy rags, stuff like that. But anyway, I recently just started using Grove Collaborative, and I really, really like the fact that it gets shipped to my house. And this is in no way sponsored, just my thoughts on it. And that the products are all natural. And recently they actually commented back because I had done a haul video on my other channel, Love Jar Vlogs, and they had said they're trying to get plastic free by 2025. So I think that's totally awesome. That bottle that I showed you, that is glass and it has like a silicone bottom. It was a free gift with my first order and I absolutely love it. I use it all the time for just different things, cleaning off my garbage can, cleaning out the refrigerator. I love this stuff for that. Okay, so this piece that I'm putting back in, I actually had to take that down to my shower and spray it out with a harder sprayer because I do not have one in my sink. And there was so much of the hamburger juice stuck on it that I could not get it off by hand. I tried and tried. So I finally took it down to the shower and I figured I could bleach the shower when I was done. So now I'm just getting ready to reorganize the refrigerator. I'm trying to find spots for everything to fit, and you'll notice that I'm going to struggle a little bit here with the yogurt because they had a huge sale on it. So they were like, I think 20 cents a piece or 21 cents a piece. So we ordered a ton because it won't go bad in our house. It will get eaten way too quickly. So we always grab it when it's on sale like that.
We were young and we were free and running. never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking.
One thing I've been doing recently is keeping my very top shelf for leftovers. It helps me to not have as much food waste. And then as you can see, I'm putting like my eggs and cheese, butter, sour cream, cottage cheese. I put all of those at the bottom of my refrigerator because those are things we look for and reach for on a daily basis. And I've noticed that the bottom shelf, it is so easy to forget about what's under there. So if I'm putting things that I use on a daily basis on the bottom shelf, I'm always gonna look for them where I may not look for the leftovers. So I reserve that for like the milk and my coffee creamer and then our leftovers.
I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la.
Okay, so my middle shelf I reserve for things like, as you can see, the yogurts, and then underneath that drawer I'll keep things like cream cheese, pickles, things that maybe have a little bit longer shelf life when they're in your refrigerator, because if they do get pushed to the back, you do forget about them. I've noticed I don't have as much food waste with those sort of things then. And then I keep my shredded cheese on the bottom shelf. In the drawer, I keep my sliced cheese, string cheese, maybe sometimes lunch meat or summer sausage, stuff that we'll look for and reach for, I keep in that drawer. And I always try to keep the same types of things so I don't forget what's in there. And I also get the big block of cheese from Sam's, and I do have a refrigerator down in my multi-purpose storage, food storage, laundry hanging room. You'll see that later on in the video. It's very multi-purpose. But I do have an extra small refrigerator down there that I will keep things like the other half of that big block of sliced cheese.
Time is up, nothing to do. You are gone, that makes me blue. But here he comes to take me to. I don't wanna go to sleep, 'cause this is something that I wanna keep.
We will never meet again. We have come to where the story ends.
Things will never be the same, I know. And my heart sings the lonely road we go.
I don't believe a word you say.
Okay, so now we're moving into our pantry area. And like I said, this is a very multi-purpose room. It's not super big for all of the things that we have to keep in here, like clothes for different seasons, overstock food, Christmas and Halloween decorations, things like that I have in here right now that we just don't have extra space for. So I try to make the most out of the space that I have, and these metal shelves are super helpful. I think I got every one of these shelves for free. People were giving them away or selling them for super cheap online, and I'm always grabbing them if someone has them available for super cheap because I know how very expensive they actually are.
Let it go.
Okay, so a lot of the things that I keep in our overstock or stocked up food are things like one, SpaghettiOs, because my kids eat a ton of these. I'll usually buy about 4 to 6 cases at a time. Beef stews, I'll keep extra chicken, canned meats, canned tuna, soups like tomato soup, cream of mushroom, cream of celery, if I can find it on sale, cream of chicken, those staples that you use in recipes all the time. I keep lots of beans, I'll keep rice, seasonings that we use a lot, like maybe chili powders, different pie fillings and mixes. We also keep health and beauty products down here in our overstock area, like toilet paper, toothpaste, hand soaps, deodorants. Shampoos, I don't have an overstock yet. It's something I'm working on building up, but I actually need some more space for it. So I tend to just grab it as I need it, but I would like to have that as one of my items that I get in overstock very soon here. I also always try to keep an extra thing of laundry detergent, dryer sheets, fabric softener, color safe bleach, and then a thing of bleach tablets on hand if I can help it, because we go through so much laundry detergent. But as you can see, I'm organizing the area here. I do rotate my stock so things aren't going bad. If we haven't used it completely up, I'll put the newest stuff towards the top. But I try, now that I've gotten this stocked up pretty well, not to purchase until I'm very close to the end of what I have, and then I will buy it in bulk. So usually when I'm down to about 6 cans of something that maybe I would keep in bulk stock, I will then order a couple of cases at that point, so that we're not having food loss and things aren't going bad. And as you can see, I'm vacuuming now. That's one of the things, and I have laundry hanging. You can see it right there. I have this rack that I air dry some of our clothes on. I do have a dryer, but some things just have to be air dried. But one of the things about utilizing a space as a multi-purpose space is to keep it clean and organized. Otherwise, it can get very overwhelming very quickly, and it would be easy to give up on something like this. And this helps our family to save a ton of money by stocking up like this. Plus, we live in the Midwest, so our weather can be very unpredictable, and it's always good to have things on hand due to heavy snowfall, severe weather, which we get in the spring a lot, severe temperatures, things like that. It's good to have things stocked and to be prepared.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light. Don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself.
I hope this video has given you some motivation today to get some organizing and cleaning done too if you needed it, and maybe helped you with some tips along the way of how to save some money and to do some stocking up. If it's something that you're looking to do for yourself as well. Don't forget, if you like videos like this, it really helps my channel out if you would give it a big thumbs up and click the subscribe button if you are not already. I'd love to have you stay here with me, and I'm looking forward to making more videos like this for you as well. And click the bell for notifications if you haven't already, because that will notify you anytime one of my videos drops. Thanks for watching, guys. I can't wait to see you in the next video.
I